Hey guys! So since I did my mountain painting video a while back, I've gotten so many requests to do another video like that. So that's what I'm going to do today, and this time we're going to be painting wildflowers. So just a slightly different landscape, but still the same idea. And before we get started, I just wanted to mention that this video is sponsored by Squarespace. They are the best place to go if you need to build a website or get a domain or create an online shop. And if you're interested in checking them out, use my link below and you can get 10% off your first purchase with them. So now back to the video. For this first painting, we're going to start off with a light wash of pink over the entire canvas, and I mixed it with some white to create a slightly hazy effect for the sky. And then I mixed a green color to start adding the stems of the wildflowers, and I layered different shades of green to create some depth. And then I started adding some yellow for the flowers, and you don't need to be precise with this, you're basically just doing a little blob shape, and make the ones in the back a little bit smaller and the ones in the front a bit bigger to show the depth. And then with a dark gray color you can add the center of the flower. And I decided that I wanted to add a few more colors to this, so I mixed some blue and purple to add some more little flowers and make it a bit more interesting. And then I finished it off with some fluffy white clouds. For this next painting, I decided to make it a bit moodier, so I started with a light wash of gray for the sky, and then using some more shades of gray, I created kind of a silhouette of mountains in the background. And you can check out that mountain painting video that I was talking about if you want some more tips on painting mountains. And then using the same green color from the first painting, I started adding some stems and some grass, just doing light, thin strokes with my paintbrush. And then I added some purple, and I was kind of thinking of lavender in my head as I was painting this, so that's the shape of the flower that I was going for. It's super easy. And then I did white clouds to finish it off. For this last painting, I did a light blue color for the sky and then added the white clouds just like before. And then for the stems, I decided to mix a kind of grayish green color, and I started adding this at the bottom of the canvas and with kind of thick brush strokes, and then I did really thin lines coming up to create the stem shapes. And then I added just a whole bunch of different colors to create an array of wildflowers, and I didn't make any particular shapes, I just kind of did it randomly. And I just wanted to make it look like a big field of wildflowers. And you can't really go wrong with this, especially because the canvas is so small, it's really hard to mess this up. And then to finish it off, I just added some more white to make the clouds a bit more prominent. These little canvases are so much fun to paint, so if you have an afternoon free one day, you should definitely try painting some of these. And just to mention Squarespace one more time, I wanted to tell you a bit more about them since they're sponsoring this video. They are the perfect place to go if you need to make a website but you don't know where to start. They have these templates that you can customize and create the website that you're imagining in your head, and they're so easy to use. And if you ever have any questions, they also have great customer service, so they're just the best place to go if you're new to web design but you want to create a professional looking website. And once again, if you want to check them out, follow my link below and you can get 10% off your first purchase. I've been using them for the past couple years and I've absolutely loved my experience, so I know that you will too. Thank you guys once again for watching this video. I hope that it gave you some inspiration, and as always, I hope you're having a wonderful week, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye guys.